Okay, in this video, I am testing a WhatsApp bridge to GPT-4 mini transcribe LLM model, which then gets picked up by a watcher on my KUKA machine, which then transcribes it to motion commands using KUKA by proxy. So I'm just going to pull up my WhatsApp here. Hey Ren, can you move the TCP down -200Z? And then second movement, move the end effector to the right by 100 millimeters. Just sent it. It's going to be transcribing on the LLM model on GPT-4 Mini. You can see it computing. And you can see it moving. Again, that's just using a WhatsApp bridge, which then is parsed locally to GPT Mini transcribe model, which is then sent and caught by the Python watcher on the KUKA machine, sending the motion commands through KUKA by proxy.